Dear students, observe the sentences and learn them. अजीज़ तलबा, दिए जाने वाले जुमलों को बगौर देखिए और पढ़िए. This card is for you. Excuse me. I am sorry. Where are you? Wait, I am coming. Really? Thank you very much. Did you read this book? Nothing. Everything is fine. अजीज़ तलबा, इन तमाम जुमलों को आपको इस्तेमाल कर कर छोटे छोटे मुकालमे बनाना है. Use these sentences before, after any of those sentences on page number 27 to make meaningful dialogues. आपकी अंग्रेज़ी की दर्सी किताब के सफ़ा नंबर 27 पर दिए जाने वाले तमाम छोटे छोटे जुमलों को मिलाकर हमें मुकालमे बनाना है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, डायलॉग नंबर 1. A said to B, "Why are you sad?" B replied, "Nothing, everything is fine." Dialogue number 2. A said to B, "Did you read this book?" B replied, "Yes, but I don't like it." A, "Really?" B, "Yes." Dialogue 3. A, "This card is for you." B, "It's very good." A, "Thank you." अज़ीज़ बच्चों, इस तरह के छोटे छोटे मुकालमे आप अपनी बयाज़ में लिखिए. Dear students, now you can make many dialogues like this. Write those dialogues in your notebook. Thank you for watching.